Good morning, dear students. Today I will explain chapter second, linear equations in one variables. What is linear equations in one variables? One variables means कोई भी one alphabetic number. For example, 2x plus 3 equals to 9. This is an equation in one variable. Linear equations, why it is linear equation? Because the variable value has only one power. यदि किसी भी वेरिएबल्स पर वन पावर हो और वेरिएबल भी सिंगल हो, वन ओनली वन वेरिएबल हो और मैक्सिमम पावर also वन, that is called linear equation in one variable. So this equation is linear equation because it has only one variable x and maximum power is also 1, so it is a linear equation in one variables. This is equality sign. In left hand side LHS and this side is RHS. लेफ्ट हैंड LHS की ओर यदि कोई भी वैल्यू होता है उसको RHS की ओर ट्रांसफर करते हैं तो ट्रांसपोजिशन कहलाता है, और ट्रांसपोजिशन पर साइन चेंज होता है. प्लस विल बी माइनस एंड माइनस विल बी प्लस. मल्टीप्लाई विल बी डिवीजन एंड डिवीजन विल बी मल्टीप्लाई. So becomes next exercise 2.1. So question number first, solve the following equations. First equation is x minus 2 equals to 7. So this is linear equation in one variable because only one variable and maximum power is 1. So this is an one variable linear equation. We have to find the value of x. So we transfer minus 2. We will transfer to minus 2. Then x equals to 7 and minus 2 will be plus 2. minus 2 का ट्रांसपोजिशन करेंगे तो प्लस 2 हो जाएगा. Then x equals to 7 plus 2 9. In this equation we will transposition of plus 3. So this will be 10 plus 3 will be minus 3. Then 10 minus 3 equals to 7. And y equals to 7. And in this equation you will find z. So z equals to, you will transpose in plus 2 will be minus 2. 6 minus 2 equals to z. Then 6 minus 2 equals to 4. 4 equals to z. So these questions are finished. Question 1 to 3rd. Now we will come to next question 4. 3 upon 7 plus x equals to 17 upon 7. So we will transfer 3 upon 7. This will be x will be here, x यही रहेगा and 17 upon 7 will be as it is. 3 upon 7 will be minus 3 upon 7 plus 3 upon 7 का minus 3 upon 7 हो जाएगा. LCM is 7. So 17 minus 3. 17 minus 3 equals to 14 upon 7 means 14 upon 7. 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 2, 7 2 is 14. So x equals to plus 2 is the answer. In question number 5, 6x equals to 12 then 6 into x, 6 into x, then transposition of 6 equals to, will be divided, this will be x equals to 12 upon 6, 6 और x मल्टीप्लीकेशन में है और मल्टीप्लीकेशन का ट्रांसपोजिशन डिवाइड होता है, सो 12 डिवाइड बाय 6 इक्वल्स टू 6 1 जा 6, 6 2 जा 12, आंसर विल बी 2. बाय द क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई 10 अपॉन 1, इसका डिनोमिनेटर हम 1 ले लेंगे, 10 अपॉन 5 इक्वल t अपॉन 5 इक्वल्स टू 10 अपॉन 1. बाय द क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई सीजर मल्टीप्लाई, सीजर लाइक सीजर, t इंटू 1 इक्वल्स टू 10 इंटू 5 by cross multiply. So t equals to 10 into 5 50 is the answer. In question number 7, by cross multiply, here will be 1, 2x into 1 and 18 into 3 by cross multiply. 2x into 1 equals to 18 into 3. 2x equals to 54. 18 3 is 54. Then x equals to 54 upon 2 will be 27. 54 divided by 2 equals to 27. 27 is the answer. इस फ्रैक्शन का डिनोमिनेटर 1 ले लेंगे नंबर का, बाय क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई y equals to 1.6 into 1.5, so y equals to 2.4. 16 5 is 80, 4 is 1, 16 1 is 16 plus 8 24, decimal left 2 digit, 2.4. In this question minus 9 will be transferred, then 7x equals to 16 plus 9, 16 plus 9 equals to 25, then x 7x and x equals to 25 upon 7. 25 upon 7 is the correct answer. In this equation minus 8 will be plus 8, then 13 plus 8 equals to 14y, then y equals to 13 plus 8 21 upon 14, cancel out from 7, 7 3 is 21, 7 2 is 14, then y equals to 3 upon 2, y equals to 3 upon 2. In this equation 6p will be here, 9 plus 17 will be minus 17, 9 minus 17 equals to minus 8, large number is negative, 6p equals to minus 8, then p equals to minus 8 upon 6, 8 upon 6 cancel out from 2, then p equals to minus 4 upon 3, 2 3 is 6 and 2 4 is 8. And last question, x upon 3 and plus 1 will be minus 1, 7 upon 15 minus 1 upon 1, then x upon 3 equals to LCM is 15, 7 minus 15. 7 minus 15 equals to minus 8. Then x upon 3 equals to minus 8 upon 15. X upon 3 by the cross multiply x into minus x into 15 equals to minus 8 into 3, and x equals to minus 8 into 3 upon 15. 3 1 ja 3, 3 5 ja 15. Then x equals to minus 8 upon 5. Minus 8 upon 5 is the correct answer. Now this exercise is complete. I will explain exercise 2.2 in the next online session. Thank you.